Hello everyone, I am Thupika Ganesharajah, a final year BIS student studying at IIT. So in this video, I will be explaining about my final year project solution, SnoreHelp. Basically, SnoreHelp is a mobile application used to analyze, track and record snoring and to predict obstructive sleep apnea. Firstly, I will be introducing the problem, solution and will be taking you all through the diagrammatic explanation ending with the prototype UI. Initially, while focusing on the problem, the key problem here is the unawareness. Snoring is the vibration of tissues along our upper respiratory tract. It is a sign that the normal airflow is being interrupted. This is a normal process that occurs during sleep. However, this becomes a serious issue for people with OSA. What is more concerning is that 90% of affected Sri Lankans are unaware of this condition. It is because many don't know that habitual snoring can be indicator of developing serious illnesses. If left untreated, it could lead to high blood pressure, diabetes, stroke, and sometimes death. In addition to that, some of the subproblems are symptoms of OSA affecting daily routine, some finding the treatment plan expensive, and social stigma, mainly making 70% to not react on this issue. Considering all this, I have come up with a solution called SnoreHelp. So, through this solution, users could record snore sound, get sleep summaries and analytical reports, reducing the cost of daily sleep studies at hospital, get connected to professionals as well as predict OSA based on risk level. Secondly, while speaking about the high-level design diagram, HLD explains the architecture that would be used to develop this system. It provides an overview of the entire system, identifying the main features in the presentation layer, application layer, indicating all the related operations, and database layer that would be needed for the product and their interfaces. Moving on to the class diagram, the main features have been identified as the classes such as admin, registration process, connecting registration process to the three main actors such as professional surgeons, professional sleep centers and clients. With that, the main class clients is connected to recording, which generates sleep summary for each recording and analytical reports for a week summary. On the other hand, clients are connected to a prediction test as well, which generate results of OSA based on risk level, which can be shared with professionals if the client personally wishes to. This overall concept has been covered in the class diagram. Moving on to the FR mapping table, the functional requirements are mapped with the wireframes explaining the function as well. This slide shows a slight preview of the main features. The registration process, login process, recording process, viewing the recordings, viewing the summaries, reports generated, allowing to share them with the professionals, viewing personal recommendations, viewing common recommendations, getting connected to professionals, and taking diagnostic test. For further clarity, the main features are explained in the prototype UI section. Initially, the basic processes which include signing up, logging in, then users will land on the landing page. Firstly, the user will have to click on the initial steps button to get directed to the next page where user will have to set the time to sleep, select tracks if they think that would induce sleep, where the selection part is shown in the last UI, and capture mode option where user can choose if the application has to capture whole night recording or just the snoring part. Moving on to the recording part, once the user clicks on the start button, the initial page is displayed with the timer selected by user, which gives time for the user to fall asleep so that the application could start recording. Once the timer is over, the music also stops and session starts. Minimum of 30 minutes recording should be there to produce graphs. Once the recording is done, user can view the sleep summaries. If the user wishes to view analytical reports, the minimum period to have recordings would be a week. Moving on to the prediction part, there are 5 steps overall. First step inquires on the demographics, second on the anthropometric data, third on the comorbidities, fourth on sleep history, and final one on symptoms. Once these are filled, an AHI score will be released, which confirms the result if the user has high, medium or low risk of OSA. Moving on to the final slide, which is connecting to professional, clients can search for any doctor and get connected to them via chat or call options. Application also shows appointment calendar for clients who have made call bookings through the application. And if any user wishes to visit the doctor, the hospital booking site is connected to the application as well, which makes it easier for the user to drive to that particular site with just a click. These are the main features of this application explained with the problem. Thank you.